Okay. Here she goes.
All right, here's the...
Okay, so let me tell you why I decided to get you this light. It
Okay.
just came out, December 16th. I actually ordered it the night of December 16th at like 8:01 p.m. Because I was afraid they would sell out because it was colorful and I thought you would like it. I don't know, maybe,
Oh, I'm sure.
I don't know.
I'm sure it's for you to play with too. We'll both enjoy
I'm sure
playing with this light. Now let's see.
we'll
if
go
we can-
out and look in the snow here in a minute since it's
stand
like
out.
pouring snow. You gonna tear the box?
Oh,
Haha, it just pops open, so neat. Look at
it's
that.
magnetic.
It's magnetic.
That's a keeper.
It's a keeper box.
Uh-oh.
What does it say?
Has literature.
Hold on, I wanna see this. It says, thank you for being a part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy. I love Olight. Like, just knowing that they donate to St. Jude and all the other things will keep me a repeat customer. But like all the little thank yous we got with these lots, it's...
Oh, this is really nice. Before first use to, should I read this?
Nah, you don't have to, but you just explain.
Please charge it fully before you turn it on.
Oh, okay. So we don't get to see what it looks like.
No, yeah.
We'll do
Let's
a
go to the tail
two-part.
cap and remove the yellow insulating film. It's pretty cool though. I like how they are so educational.
Congrats
with
on your
their
new
stuff.
Olight Freyr.
There's the charging thing. So we're gonna have to charge this.
Okay, well that's fine.
Oh wow, it's got a...
It comes with a...
Oh, that's a light cone, isn't it?
Yeah, so you can direct
It's
traffic.
really,
I don't know why
it's really soft.
I don't know why you would need it, but
I hate that I can't turn it on yet, but it's really sweet looking.
don't turn it on.
It's...
It says not to. Oh no. She's got them something
loud.
loud and they're about to come through.
All right, the Olight.
She's sending them over. Alright, well, okay.
Okay, so this is the second part of the video we started last night. The unboxing and the great reveal of the Olight Freyr.
Freyr. I think it's Freyr.
I really don't know how it's pronounced, but it's a really nice light. So we unboxed it last night and we couldn't turn it on,
Freyr?
or it said not to turn it on until it was charged fully. It comes with this really nifty tail cap charging
Maybe it's Freyr.
USB thingy.
Freyr, like free, or like it's Freyr. You're Freyr. I really don't know.
Right now I've got her holstered.
Oh
Comes with a
my
nice
word.
holster. There it
Holstered.
is. So, yeah.
A holster flashlight.
Get that dang thing. All right, so the light in all its glory. So it comes with a traffic cone. You slip it over, and you turn it on, and you let it do its thing. So this light, its primary appeal is that it does 3 colors. It does.
I'm just gonna admit I got it because it did colors, and
Yeah.
I thought the colors would be pretty.
It does the white. No, it does 4 colors, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, if you
1, 2.
include the white.
Yeah, white. White, blue, red, green. Yeah,
Yeah.
white, blue, red, green.
There you
So,
go.
okay, so a couple of different modes. Like a lot of Olights, you can double click to get the high power white.
Oh,
yeah,
jeebus.
that's wicked. We're gonna take it outside too. Or you can just do it single click on the side switch. It's got a side switch and a tail switch. Do a single click and hold, and it'll do moonlight mode. You getting that?
Yeah.
And then you can hold down and cycle through the colors.
Red, green, and blue.
And you can slip it on and do the same thing. So start with white. It's got a little Olight on it. Can you see that? It's nifty.
Yeah, it says Olight on it.
Ooh, oh wow, it went fast. It does switch modes fast. I figured that out. I like the blue. Red.
The red and green's Christmas.
It
It's
is.
got that Christmas appeal.
Okay. Also, like so many Olights, it has strobe. I'm not going to keep that on very long.
Stop it!
Yeah,
And it
that was my
has-
son. I just strobed my son.
You just totally strode.
So max lumens. It's a throw light. It's not a. It's got a throw of 360 meters and a max lumens of 1750. And also the tail switch capabilities, you can do a half press and get some good stuff there.
It's pretty bright.
Yeah, it is very bright.
You can test that outside. You don't need to
Yeah,
light this all
we're not
in
going to burn our eyes out in here anymore, but there's the light in full.
So it has an indicator on the side
Yeah.
for charge level too. So
I really like it. I really like the
it's
grip
not
they
on,
put.
but if it was on,
No, I really like
it would
the
show
grip.
you green, orange, or red.
They got the grip on the barrel. They got this really neat grip up top right here. It's a nice light. It's a really nice
Moving
light.
it around so you can see your grip. There you go, nice and slow.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's better to slow things down.
Skull crusher bezel. I'm not sure if that's a skull crusher.
I don't think so. All right, you ready? I want to see.
Yeah,
what
let's
it
take it
looks like
outside. Let's do this. Okay, so now we're outside, and here's the max lumens. I believe it was what, 1750. I think so.
Holy cow!
Pretty good.
Holy
Pretty
cow!
good. Shine it over there. Wow. Yeah.
I would be curious to know how far down back it would shine.
So
We need
you
to
can-
move over back to behind Mama's house where it's super dark and there's a long range.
Gosh, what? How do you do that? Okay, that's the partial power. That's as low as it'll go on the white. But
Okay.
yeah, pretty cool.
I wanna see the
actually,
colors.
It's not the lowest. There's the moonlight mode, which I'll do that. That's the moonlight mode. It's pretty good for looking for stuff on the ground when you're camping, you know, and you don't want to wake other people. Okay, I'll go ahead and cycle through the colors.
The
Look how
colors,
pretty
you
it is.
always miss the
Well, I'm holding. Look, if I hold it through, look, we got a light show.
Oh, it's so cute.
Okay,
Okay, shine that way.
let's do this. I wish the red and the blue and stuff would be a little brighter, but
Well, they're low lumens.
yeah, they are low lumens.
I mean, you couldn't really do that much with it if it was really bright anyways, could
So,
you?
Here we go.
Yeah, I could definitely see your grimace
see it,
body.
See what? See what?
Nothing, go ahead. Do the purple, blue, do the blue. Now you're really grimace.
Thanks.
So that's the moonlight mode, I guess.
Yeah, that's the moonlight mode. Yeah, the white with the. We'll do the white with the monster mode. It's wicked.
Let's walk over to the backyard. Oh, God, Jesus. You can't even look at it. I couldn't even look at that. I think you just tore my retinas. Seared my retinas. Okay.
All right, so
I saw something crawling across the backyard, and I believe it was a kitty. Oh, damn, Mama's kitty.
okay, so here
Gosh,
is-
that is so bright.
Yeah, check
Hold
it
on.
out.
Walk over this way. Let's see if you can hit the barn.
Put the shine way down.
It's crazy. Okay.
Oh, easy.
Oh, you totally easily hit the barn.
Oh yeah, easily. So okay, that's the highest lumens.
That's crazy.
You can go down 2 more steps with the white.
Oh, my fingers are
Let's see
frozen.
if I can do this. Okay, that's the, I guess just your everyday use, just for spotting outside. You've also got the strobe. Whee! So you can strobe things like deer. And we got the colors, so let's do the colors.
You always skip the red.
It goes fast. It goes really fast. Look at the ground, that's pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty. There's
Let's do
the
the
red.
light. We'll do the light show. There's your light show.
Oh, my fingers are hurting. It's so cold.
So pretty nifty. All right,
So do you love it or not?
I do. I especially like that. I like the moonlight mode.
Put the cone back on. Let me see you with the cone again.
So here's the cone. This is moonlight mode. This is the.
It actually does intensify the light a pretty
It
good
does.
bit.
It
Like,
disperses it. Disperses it. So here we go. Now we're gonna go through the colors. Oops,
You always skip the
it
red.
switches so fast. I mean, there's a learning curve to making it land.
Yeah. I don't know.
We're about to have the light. There's the red.
The red, I guess, is probably the best for,
So
like, if you were stuck on the side of the road and you really needed to,
see it pretty good.
yeah.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
I really like it a lot, actually. I wish I'd bought it for myself, but...
There's the light show. So yeah, you can put it on turbo. You can put it on the max lumens with this white cone on, but it's like so wicked.
Oh, that's crazy.
It's actually painful.
I want to see how far it'll go again.
There we go.
Make it go far again. Down back. Holy cow.
Yeah, for a light this small.
It's a tiny, I did not expect that tiny of a light to be able to throw that far at all.
And if it wasn't this foggy, we could, it's kind of foggy.
Yeah, it's really foggy tonight because it snowed.
Yeah, look, you can definitely see that anything you want.
Our neighbors are really listening to their music super loud.
Sure are. Yeah, everything is revealed. So there we have it.
Okay, you're moving it too fast. I couldn't follow you.
Oh, okay.
The moon is bright tonight too. It really lights up everything. Like super.
Yeah, we could shine this off the mountain sometime.
We need to take it up to the mountainside. Well, make somebody stay down here and then
Video it.
that really that lights up all the way down to the woods down there, and that's a long way.
Well,
it's a super long way.
Too.
Is it getting hot? Oh,
that's my breath. It's pretty
it's
cool.
lighting up your breath. That's scary. It made a rainbow. It made a rainbow on your breath. That was so cool. Okay, I'm frozen.
Right.
I feel like it's
There that is.
I feel like it was a good fun time.
It is.
I'm gonna put my phone up and play some more though without my fingers out.
Have at it.
Okay, so now I'm playing with it. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's making the grass sparkle so pretty. I love it. Also, there's my indicator light. It's so cool. I say I got this for you, but I'm having such a good time. I feel like I need one myself. I love it. I mean, I don't know what you would really need. I mean, it's not necessary to have the colors, but it's so pretty. I don't know if that's picking that up, how it's like causing the ground to just like be luminescent since it's just so sparkly out here tonight. It's beautiful. Like it's like a little magical winter show, and maybe I'm the only female who would give a care about it, but it's beautiful. And then there's moonlight mode. And then if you press the back, is it the back that you press?
Yes, the back.
Holy cow.
Or you can double click the side and it'll go to the same turbo mode.
It just, it goes so far. It's so foggy out here tonight though, but like it literally lights up everything. It just blows my mind, really. It's crazy, I love it. I don't know if this would hit the mountain, but maybe.
I mean, it's what? It throws 360 meters.
Yeah, that probably would hit the mountain from here if we... 3 football, well, maybe not then.
3.6.
Oh, my fingers are frozen.
I bet you some will hit the mountain.
Let's see. My moonlight mode. There's red. Green. Blue. And it'll go one more than that I don't know how to turn it on. I'll have to make that. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cold.
It's fun.
It's very fun.
Enjoy it.
I feel like I had some good fun with it. Alright, let's go.
Let's go get warm.
Hot tub?
Good idea.